Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a visual project tracker on Google Sheets. So for instance, you created this table. I'm just going to select these 5, go to insert, and I'm going to select checkbox. I'm also then going to go to count, and I'm going to add this formula if count if this to this, comma, quotation mark, true, quotation mark, close parentheses, and enter. And for instance, I've started and planned it. So go to progress, and you're going to create like a spark line. So add in this formula. And then I'm just going to type in comma. I'm going to then add this, like, I don't know what parentheses this is. But then I'm just going to type in chart type, comma, bar. I think I might add this formula to the description so that y'all don't have to type this in. Oops. You're just going to type in the same formula that I am doing right now. Let's see, 1, and then I want it to be the color red, so like that. And then I'm going to select this again, and I'll do like under, I guess, 3. I'm going to type it, I'm going to choose, the color orange for that. And then I will choose the table again, and then I'm going to do, like, if it's under 5 or it's 5, I'm just going to choose the green color, and then I'm just going to close that with a parentheses, and then I'm just going to close it with this one, and then again with this. Oops, why isn't it? Oh, with that. Okay, there we go. Then I will just press enter, and as you can see, that's my progress so far. If I selected more, it's going to turn green. So as you can see, it started from red to yellow, to orange, and then to green. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!